If you're a millennial or a 90s kid, the chances are you would be spending most of your free time out in the outdoors, playing all sorts of games, making makeshift wickets, and spending all day playing cricket outdoors. Not really bothered about the weather outside. You could either be playing hide and seek, just playing Pittu or Lagori. Feeling nostalgic? And rightly so, because ours is the last generation which got to experience the curiosity, the innocence associated with childhood, unlike YouTube and Candy Crush that is right now. Did I just sound like one of those nagging uncles who constantly keep complaining about the children? With a clear preference to spend as much time outdoor as possible, what would a child growing up in the 90s do once he comes back home? What would he do? How would he spend the time once he finds himself locked behind the four walls of his house? Well, in the 90s, you were considered to be a very, very lucky kid if you happened to have a cable TV network at your home. So either you would spend the entire day watching the limited number of channels that were available for the cable network then, or end up watching what was then the Doordarshan. One particular hobby which even the parents encouraged the children to have was book reading. Yes, book reading. This was the case until the technology took over. Now, how will you react if I tell you that the technology which you are blaming now can actually take you back and help you to recultivate the hobby of book reading, but in a very, very, very different way? Say hi to the Amazon Kindle. It's essentially an ebook reader. What I have here is a Kindle Paperwhite, but from a previous generation. But it essentially serves the same purpose as the newer generation one does. That is, it lets you store and read a large collection of your favorite books while on the go. Also, let me turn it on for you. The screen of a Kindle is very different from that of your regular mobile phone. That is to tell you that the screen doesn't have a glare. So it is very, very comfortable to read, be it either in the day or the night. Also, the newer generation Kindle provides you with 8 GB of storage. Well, yeah, if you compare it with your mobile phones, it might seem to be very low, as the phones today come with almost 64 to 128 GB of storage. But since Kindle is exclusively used to read your stories or the magazines or any of your books, it can store a large number of them. Kindle offers a very unique experience in book reading. At any given time, you can probably carry the whole of the library that you would want to have in a single device. Also, while reading a book, it gives you a lot of freedom and a lot of options. For example, if in case you come across any word which you are not very sure of and you would like to refer to a dictionary for the same can be done in the Kindle by just the touch of that word. By pressing it, the word will open up in a dictionary and give you the answer and the meaning of that particular term, thus making it easier to understand the context and also helps in reading the book with much quicker pace. Encouraging to know that most of the popular books are available in the Kindle format, which the Amazon Kindle supports. Not just that, if you happen to purchase an ebook on Amazon, it will be directly transferred electronically through your Kindle and you would be paying much less price as compared to buying a traditional paperback one. And with the current Great Indian Sale that is going on the Amazon platforms, this is the right time to find best deals on the Kindle so that you can have and also experience a distraction-free reading experience on the go. Let's rekindle the reading habits once again.